Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today I protected this C43 saloon with a Starline Pro. So the customer's phone can be paired up to this system, and all they got to do is foot off the brake, tap the ignition twice, get it on, hear a melody, foot on the brake and start. Car fires up. If the customer doesn't want to use their phone, and they just want to use a PIN code, don't want their phone to have anything to do with the system, turn the Bluetooth off. Now what they'll do, double tap, get their ignition on, then pop their code in. We've left it simple at 1, 2, 3. Hear a melody, foot on the brake, they can start it. Without the code or the phone, or if a thief clones this key or breaks into your house, takes the key and tries to drive the vehicle away, they'll hop in, go to drive it off, vehicle won't even start up. So once again, to start it, they can either pair their phone up with an adjustable Bluetooth range, or they can go through a push sequence. This push sequence could be 3 and 21 presses in any order that the customer chooses, and the way they change it is first they have to turn the ignition on, prove that it's them with either their phone or the code, receive their melody. There we go. Now we'll press any button 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, off, back on, you get 5 bleeps. Now it's ready to learn, so we'll just set a simple code for the video. 3 presses, we'll wait for a confirmation, and then we'll repeat that again. We should be waiting for the same confirmation. We've got that, now the code's learned, we can turn the vehicle off. So now this time the customer goes to start the vehicle, what they'll do, double press, pop their new code in. Oh, that was within 10 seconds, we can give it time to set. We'll turn it off, give it 10 seconds. Now ignition on. Pop the new code in. And we can start the vehicle. This system can also be put into service mode using the app with a simple press and hold, or it can be done through the buttons. So when you take it back to Mercedes, service mode basically means it's a normal car, no code, no phone. The way you do it in the app is just a press and hold from green to yellow. When it does let go, you get 2 bleeps. Or if you want to do it with the buttons, ignition on, code to prove that it's you. Now press any button 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ignition off, back on, we'll get the 2 bleeps, confirm it's in valid mode. There we go. So now, as we said, service mode basically means no code, no phone. Start it up. When Mercedes get it, it's a normal vehicle. They can drive it around their workshop, do what they need to do. It's just normal. When you get it back, you're going to want to turn the system on. And the way you do it, double press, put your code in like you normally do. 2 bleeps and it's out of service mode. So to check that, make sure it's come out correctly, give it 10 seconds, then try and start the vehicle up. As you see, it doesn't start. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. We've installed the i96 Pro on this C43 saloon. Give us a call and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.